Hello and welcome to today's video. We are going to discuss an essential topic for anyone who is creating content online. How do you do keyword research for your blogs, for your product pages, for category pages, or for anything else you need to write? Many people, when they think of writing a blog, they immediately think about choosing the right keyword, which is a great place to start. The right keyword is really crucial for driving traffic, but many are unsure about how to begin the process of research. Often, the go-to option is paid tools, but today I'll be sharing with you free alternatives that can help you find the perfect keyword for your content. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. By the end, you'll have solid methods for identifying really good keywords for your blogs, product pages, and other content. I've also created a Google Doc outlining all of these steps. I'll provide the link to that document in the description of this video once we're all done. Feel free to check it out and go through it with me together. Let's dive in. The first method is to start with Google search. It's simple, but it's effective. Open up Google and search for anything related to your topic. For example, if your blog is about marketing, you might search for something like market segmentation. As you see, Google immediately provides a list of suggested terms. For example, terms like market segmentation, marketing management, market segmentation meaning, and market segmentation analysis. If you scroll down on the page, you'll find even more suggestions. These can also help guide you in creating content for or targeting specific keywords for better SEO phrases. Simply collect these keywords and add them to a Google Sheet. This method is great for long-tailed keywords as well. Moving on to the second method, let's talk about using Google Keyword Planner. To use Google Keyword Planner, you first need to create a Google Ads account, but don't worry, these are free. Once that's all set up, head to the Tools section. It should look something like this. From there, you'll find the Keyword Planner. Once you're in the Keyword Planner, this is where you get to click on Discover New Keywords. Now, you'll need to enter a seed keyword to begin. For example, let's use New York as our seed keyword today. Next, you'll select your location. In this case, let's choose within the United States. After you click Get Results, you'll be presented with a list of related keywords. You can apply filters such as search volume or competition to help you choose the best keyword strategy for your business. Once you've selected the right keyword, you can search these keywords by things like cost per click, average monthly searches, and other factors. You can then sort and filter these keywords to see which ones are most relevant to your specific niche and target audience. For better optimization, you can also increase the rows from 50 to 500, which will give you access to a larger set of keyword ideas. This allows you to fully explore your keyword options and choose the ones that best fit your goals. This is how you download it right here in a Google Sheet or CSV. Now, let's move on to the third method, using Google Trends. To get started, go to Google and search for a relevant keyword or topic. Today, we're going to choose New York if you're writing about the city. You can select the region which you want to see the trending topics in. Let's choose the United States for this example. Google Trends also lets you apply filters such as time frame or category. To narrow down the results, this is very helpful. Now, here's the twist. Google Trends isn't just about keyword ideas, but it's also a great place to find trending topics. These can help you inspire new blog ideas that are currently capturing attention. You can also export this. Make sure to choose your region, and you can also sort it by things like state. This is a great place to learn about trending topics that are currently capturing attention in specific areas. By analyzing these trending topics, you'll be able to spot gaps in content or find high traffic keywords that are related to your niche. Consider sorting by things like your industry to figure out what common trends are. For our fourth method, let's talk about analyzing your competitors' keywords. To begin, open a new tab and type in your target keywords, such as market segmentation. Then, browse through the results and click on one of the top ranking URLs. From there, we can use tools like Ahrefs traffic checkers to find out which keywords are driving traffic to your competitor's page. All you need to do is simply copy the URL and then paste it into Ahrefs traffic checker tool. It will show you the keywords that are bringing in the most traffic to their pages. This is where we look at things like page titles and more. If you're using keywords like market segmentation types or market segmentation definition, which are bringing traffic to these pages, Analyzing your competitors' keywords is a great way to identify gaps and discover which terms are generating more traffic in your industry. Look at all this traffic they're getting. You can see where the traffic is coming from and what words are doing best for them, like market segmentation types and market segmentation definitions. Now, let's talk about some more free tools. Many paid tools, like SEMrush, provide a limited amount of free searches each day. With SEMrush, you can get 7 or 10 free searches each day. These limited searches give you valuable insight into keyword volume, cost per click, and competition. So don't forget to take advantage of these free options. The information that these tools provide is essential to helping your business grow. Knowing where volume is coming from and how difficult each keyword is great to know when writing blogs. Similarly, Ahrefs also allows you to use free tools to get insights on your competitor keyword rankings. By using these, you can continue to build your keyword list without paying for expensive tools. It's important to track keyword volume, difficulty, and intent, as well as any secondary keyword that could help boost your content. By collecting all this data, you can create a Google Sheets with all the keywords you've gathered from various sources. It's important to track keyword volume, difficulty, and intent, as well as many secondary keywords that could help boost your SEO content. Here's an example of a well-organized keyword sheet and how it should look, with columns for things like keywords, volume, keyword difficulty, and any other relevant information. This approach will help you stay organized and ensure that you have all the necessary information to select the best keywords for your next blog post. I hope all of these methods help you find the perfect keywords for your blogs. With free tools and strategies that I have shared today, you'll be able to optimize your content without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best of luck in your keyword research. Bye, guys!